Okay, so here today we have the hydrogen explosion video. We're going to be exploding a 570 milliliter bottle on the right and a 1 gallon container right on the left. And so I just have a blowtorch here. I'm going to stick the blowtorch on the lowest setting and just stick it in front of the container, and I'm going to try to run away. So I'm going to zoom you guys out a little bit. I don't know how the sound will pick up on video. I'm going to just take this container away right now, as I don't want to explode it. Fire up the blowtorch. Okay, so this is just a small bottle. It's not that intense. As you can see, that works pretty good. And so I'm going to check if the blowtorch is still going. And it is. So I'm going to stick it to the low setting. See my camera angle. And then try not to blow myself up. Okay, now this is going to be really intense. Oh! Holy crap! That thing went 200 feet in the air. Now if that ain't an explosion, I don't know what is. Okay, hopefully that entertained you guys.